Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Today, I will share with you an extremely simple but very effective nutrient formula that helps stimulate new leaf growth, supports flowering, and maintains the health of indoor ornamental plants. What is special about this formula is that it is not only suitable for peace lily, but can also be applied to many other ornamental plants such as anthurium, phalaenopsis orchids, Zamioculcas plants, snake plants, and many other common indoor plants. With just a few familiar ingredients available at home, we can create a simple nutrient solution to help plants grow greener, maintain glossy leaves, and create favorable conditions for flower bud formation. However, just like any other plant care method, using the correct ratio and applying it properly is very important. Therefore, please follow each step carefully in today's video so you can clearly understand how to prepare it, how to use it, and the important precautions you need to know before applying it to your plants. I use this formula regularly and have introduced it on my channel before, but this time I will introduce it again for those who do not know about it yet. The first ingredient we will use today is green tea. I have a regular green tea bag here. You can use either loose leaf tea or tea bags. However, I recommend choosing pure green tea with as few additives as possible. Green tea contains many natural organic compounds, amino acids, and trace minerals that can support the plant's growing environment. For flowers, the gentle nutrients from green tea may help the plant maintain a healthier condition, allowing the flowers to stay fresh longer, display more vibrant colors, and experience less stress during the budding and blooming stages. For the growing medium, green tea solution can help maintain a more stable environment around the root zone, support balanced moisture levels, and create favorable conditions for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. In addition, when properly diluted, the organic compounds in tea may help improve the activity of beneficial microorganisms in soil and growing media. For the leaves, a mild supply of nutrients from green tea may help the leaves maintain a healthy green color and improve metabolic activity. When the leaves are healthy and photosynthesize efficiently, the plant will have more energy for overall growth and long-term development. That is why green tea will be the first ingredient in the nutrient formula we are preparing today. Now, I will place the tea bag into a clean glass cup. Add 500 milliliters of hot water and steep it for 5 minutes. Hot water helps the natural compounds in the tea release more quickly, including amino acids, antioxidants, and certain beneficial trace minerals. The steeping process allows these nutrients to dissolve evenly into the water, creating a gentle solution that is suitable for plant care. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After 5 minutes, I remove the tea bag and obtain a dark orange tea solution, like this. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, the second ingredient I use is 1 vitamin B1 tablet. This is a very familiar and easy to find ingredient. You can buy vitamin B1 at most pharmacies at a very low cost. I often use vitamin B1 in many different plant care formulas, sometimes combined with other natural ingredients or used alone, depending on the condition of the plant. In addition, these vitamin tablets also contain some supporting minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which are important elements for plant growth. Potassium helps plants use water more efficiently, supports bud and flower formation, and helps maintain healthy green leaves. Meanwhile, magnesium plays a role in chlorophyll production, helping leaves maintain their natural green color and improving photosynthesis efficiency. That is why I often add vitamin B1 to nutrient formulas for indoor ornamental plants, such as peace lily, phalaenopsis orchids, anthurium, zamioculcas plants, and many other ornamental plants. Use a grinder or the back of a spoon to crush the tablet into a fine powder. After crushing the tablet into powder like this, I dissolve it into the prepared tea solution. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Next, after all the ingredients are fully dissolved, I dilute the solution with about 2 liters of clean water. After adding the water, stir well so the nutrients are evenly distributed throughout the solution. At this point, we have a mild nutrient solution that can be used for many indoor ornamental plants. Method 1. Watering the plant roots. Pour the prepared solution into a watering can, then water evenly around the base of the peace lily or other indoor ornamental plants. When watering, focus on the growing medium and root zone because this is where the plant absorbs water and nutrients most efficiently. This method allows nutrients to gradually penetrate the soil or growing medium, helping the roots grow stronger and improving their ability to absorb essential nutrients. For plants that are growing slowly, have pale leaves, or lack vitality, periodic nutrient supplementation can help them recover faster, encourage the appearance of new young leaves, and maintain healthy green foliage. In addition, when the root system develops well, the plant becomes more resilient to environmental changes such as temperature, humidity, or repotting. This method is especially suitable for indoor ornamental plants such as peace lily, zamioculcas plants, anthurium, snake plants, pothos, and many other indoor green plants. For best results, water in the early morning or late afternoon when conditions are favorable for nutrient absorption. By applying this periodically in the right amount, you will notice your plants becoming greener, their leaves thicker and more attractive, and new healthy shoots appearing continuously. Method 2. Wiping leaves with the nutrient solution. Pour a small amount of the solution into a clean cup, then use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth to soak up the solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the leaves. This method is especially suitable for indoor ornamental plants such as peace lily, zamioculcas plants, anthurium, snake plants, pothos, and many other plants with large leaves. After growing indoors for some time, Plant leaves often accumulate dust, reducing their ability to absorb light and negatively affecting photosynthesis. Wiping the leaves regularly helps remove this layer of dust, making the leaves cleaner, shinier, and healthier. This is also a good opportunity to check the plant's health and detect early signs of problems such as yellow leaves, leaf spots, or pests, so that you can address them promptly. When wiping the leaves, do it gently on both the upper and lower surfaces and avoid rubbing too hard to prevent damage to the plant's natural protective layer. In addition, proper leaf cleaning also helps reduce the accumulation of mold and bacteria on the leaf surface, thereby lowering the risk of diseases spreading to other parts of the plant. This is especially important in the humid environments where harmful agents can easily develop. Regular leaf care and cleaning habits also help the plant maintain a fresh appearance while improving its ability to absorb light more efficiently, contributing to better overall health and long-term growth. Method 3. Misting the plants. Pour the remaining solution into a clean spray bottle, then lightly and evenly mist the entire canopy, including leaves, stems, and the area around the base of the plant. This method is especially suitable for indoor ornamental plants such as peace lily, anthurium, zamioculcas plants, pothos, snake plants, and many other foliage plants. The fine mist helps distribute the solution evenly across the plant surface while also removing dust that has accumulated on the leaves over time indoors. When the leaves are kept clean and unobstructed, they can absorb light more efficiently, allowing photosynthesis to proceed smoothly and supporting healthier plant growth. In addition, regular misting helps maintain light humidity around the foliage, which is especially beneficial during hot, dry weather, or when plants are kept in air-conditioned rooms. When spraying, make sure to mist both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, because these areas are heavily involved in gas exchange. For best results, apply in the early morning or late afternoon, and avoid spraying under intense sunlight to reduce the chance of water sitting on the leaves for too long. By applying this regularly together with root, watering, and periodic leaf cleaning, the plant will maintain glossy green foliage, stay healthy, continuously produce new leaves, and grow more vigorously over time. Results. After a period of caring for the plants with green tea and vitamin B1 solution, you can see that the peace lilies in my garden have changed significantly. The leaves have become darker green, stronger, and glossier than before. Plants that previously grew slowly or lacked vitality have gradually recovered and are growing much more vigorously. Most importantly, new young leaves have started emerging from the base of the plant, showing that the roots are functioning well, and that the plant is absorbing nutrients effectively. Not only that, mature plants have also begun forming new flower buds. At first, they appear as small shoots emerging between the leaf sheaths, but over time, they develop into healthy flower stalks. This is a sign that the plant has enough energy and favorable conditions to enter the flowering stage. Not only peace lilies, but other indoor plants in my garden have also shown very positive changes after being cared for with this method. The plants have all become greener, with thicker and glossier leaves. New shoots continue to appear, and growth rates have improved noticeably. Especially for flowering plants such as anthurium, phalaenopsis, orchids, and many other flowering ornamental plants, the number of flower buds has increased significantly. Flower stalks are growing stronger, and flower colors have become more vibrant and vivid. Keep caring for your plants day by day, because every new leaf and every flower bud is a sign that your plant is responding to your care. What do you think about this green tea and vitamin B1 formula? If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss simple and effective plant care tips in future videos.